Look, LA is a mission right now, we just hit the road. Girl, my loving is just something that I know you can't control. Look, you could try to defy some rules, cause I wanna be wrong, girl, wanna be proved. So hold your love and your truth. Cause there's no one like you. She moves like a damn angel. You can't understand how you gonna let her go. She moves like a damn angel. And you can't understand how you gonna let her go. LA is a mission right now, we just do these shows. I've been loved up, I've been fucked up, girl, I'm better off alone. Can't try to find some sense of it, but baby, you should know that there's just not an end to it. So